Hello, everybody. We are the MU Design Group, and we have designed a building for a museum in Montreal, Canada. This is the actual building of the insectarium, and they want to build another building here that must be communicated with it. And our main idea is this. The shape of the actual building is a V, so our building is going to be like a panel of the V home. There is a tunnel communicated between the two buildings, and in the floor there is an ant farm, so you can see the ants working on the floor.
In the end of this room is the biggest room, is the big room where you can see a concave form in the top, where the water falls and goes to a big tank underground. We also have another tubes communicated to take all the water falling in the grass and go into the tube, and then we use also this water in the toilets and to the plants and so on, like the nature, taking the fall water. And it's like a big geometric form, taking water for all around. Also, we use the mimetism of the biomimetism to take energy, no energy, but to improve the energy of the wind and the ventilation, and also to have a good temperature, and also air flowing in the building. This, in the last photograph, there was the thank you. The old building was here, and here is the tunnel connecting with the new one, where is the insect exhibition and all the new museums performance, I think. And this is everything. Thank you very much.